Welcome to RSVPBook, where planning your next event is easier than ever. On our landing page, you'll find helpful samples and resources. Scroll down to see our revolutionary AI Event Builder, a tool designed to take your event details and do all the heavy lifting for you. Simply copy and paste the basic event details and let AI go to work. Watch as the AI Event Builder brings your event to life. First, it gathers essential details and creates fully customizable registration forms. Then it designs beautiful banners, custom email messaging, and even generates your event's app logo and banner. From there, the tool sets up app details, finalizes the event structure, and voila, you're ready to go. In just seconds, your custom-built event is complete. Now, take a look at your comprehensive admin dashboard. Explore your agenda, registration page, itineraries, QR codes, and even preview your event app, all ready to use. Customize further if you'd like, or consider it done. And don't forget, RSVPBook offers legendary concierge service, so our experts are always here to help make your event shine. This is just one more way RSVPBook leads the industry with best-in-class event planning software, pioneering the AI evolution in the space.